Alright, so quick unpackaging. We have the Sandisk 128 gigabyte USB Type-C external hard drive, flash drive. I don't know. Anyways, let's get to it.
You know what? Just because I might have to send this one back, I don't want to just go through everything. So let's do. Okay, I don't know how big that was. I really want to keep this package. Okay, no package.
This is what it looks like. Look how cool this is. This thing, let me look at it because I don't even know what it looks like. This thing is the smallest external hard drive you can buy. You can plug this up to your smartphone and in theory make it like a drive. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make it a hard drive so I can shoot these videos and dump the 4K footage into this and then hopefully edit from my phone. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna work, so, but still. So that's it for this unboxing. That
was pretty much it. I'm not going to show you what it looks like because I record on the phone that this comes with. So anyways, catch you guys later. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, tell your mom about it, tell your friends, tell your baby mama about this channel. Thank you. It'd be greatly appreciated. Have a good one.